Skip the hassle. South Africa's eHomeAffairs allows you to apply for your ID or passport online. Here's how to do it. Forget long lines and endless paperwork. The eHomeAffairs system is an online platform that simplifies your smart ID and passport applications. Hello and welcome to DigiDIY SA, where we simplify your life with easy-to-follow guides that make long processes easy and stress-free. While eHomeAffairs makes the process easier, you'll still need to visit a Home Affairs office or a participating bank branch to capture your fingerprints, signature, and photo. Don't worry, you can finalize your application at any Home Affairs office with or without an appointment. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Register a profile. Head over to the eHomeAffairs website to register. Ensure all your details are accurate and choose a memorable password. After filling in your details and completing the CAPTCHA, click Next. Step 2. Confirm your cell phone number. You'll receive a one-time PIN, OTP, via SMS. Enter it and click Submit OTP. Step 3. Log in. Use your ID number and chosen password to log in. Step 4. Verify your login. You'll receive another OTP via SMS. Enter it and click Submit. Step 5. Complete the application form. Fill out the application form for either a smart ID or passport. You can also apply for a minor directly related to you. Double-check all information to ensure accuracy. Step 6. Submit your application. After confirming all details are correct, click Submit. Step 7. Upload supporting documents. If required, upload the necessary supporting documents. Remember to bring these documents to the Home Affairs office or bank branch. Step 8. Make payment and book an appointment. Pay online and book an appointment at a Home Affairs office or participating bank branch. The bank details you provide will determine which branch you can use. For example, if you enter FNB bank details and reside in KZN, you can visit the FNB in Cornubia. Step 9. Choose a location for biometrics. Select a Home Affairs office or bank branch to capture your biometrics. Appointments are mandatory for bank branches, but optional for Home Affairs offices. Step 10. Attend your appointment. You'll receive an SMS confirmation of your booking. On the day of your appointment, bring your ID, if available, and the confirmation letter to the Home Affairs office or bank branch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.